Hi everyone, this is part 2 of 3 videos we're going to do changing the following expressions into exponential form. Here are your basic rules, your radical to rational, your inverse negative exponents, your product property, your quotient property, and your power property. So you should know those. And we get started. So they just want these to look exponential. So we're going to write this as 6 to the negative 3. This one is going to be 3. This is your power. This is your root. That's radical to rational way. This would be 6. Your power is 2. Your root is 9. Okay. So that was like part 1 we did. Now they get a little harder. We're going to use the quotient property here. So this is like your m, and this is your n. And we're going to write it as a single base of 10. And remember, we're going to subtract. So it's 7x minus 9x minus 1. So when you distribute, you're going to get 10 to the 7x minus 9x plus 1. Don't forget to distribute the negative. And so that's going to be 10 to the negative 2x plus 1. Okay, and this one is the product property. We're going to write it as a single base. This is your m part. This is your n part. And you're going to add these. So that's 6x plus negative x plus 5, which is basically 2 to the 6x minus x plus 5, which equals 2 to the 5x plus 5. You can leave it like that, or you could pull out that 5 if you wanted to. Okay. And this one is your product property. So this one, that means this is your m, this is your n, and you're just going to multiply. So that's 6 to the 3x times 2x minus 7. So it's going to be 6 to the 6x squared minus 21x. If you want, you could pull out a 3x on that. And that would give you 2x minus 7. I don't know if you want to do that, but you could. This one's your quotient property again. M. This is your n, so you're going to subtract. Write this as a single base. So remember, on the quotient property, you're subtracting. Don't forget to put parentheses here, so you can distribute the negative. So that's minus x minus 1. So that's going to be 3 to the x minus 1. And the last set we have is these. Your product property again, your m and your n. So we're just going to combine those. 3x, and when you add it, you'll get just minus 7x plus 8, which gives you 5 to the negative 4x plus 8. If you want to factor out a negative 4, you can, but don't forget you have to change that sign to a negative. Okay, because 2 negatives make a positive, and this is just you're just going to use your power property and multiply this. So that's 5, 3 to the 3rd power times 2x, which equals 5 to the 6x. Okay? Part 3 is very similar, a little harder. Thank you, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.